Let's discuss another question on machine design. This time it is from general bearing. So a general bearing has a diameter 60 mm. The length is given as 90 mm and it runs at 450 rpm. Okay, the oil which is used for hydrodynamic has a viscosity, absolute viscosity, that is given as 0.06, which is, let's write 0.06, but I'm not sure of the symbol which I'm denoting, but it's absolute kinematic. It's not kinematic, it's dynamic viscosity. If the diameter clearance is again given as small c, written as small c, 0.1 mm, and then the safe load on the bearing is given, used Sommerfeld number. Well, Sommerfeld number is one design dimensional number which is used for the designing general bearings. Okay, so now in this it is given that so if you have to basically know the expression for Sommerfeld number, which is Zn by P T by C whole square. So this is the expression for Sommerfeld number, and this value is given as 14.3 into 10 power 6. And what is this? Z is the viscosity. In fact, this is what is Z, and because it is already given that in the expression it contains viscosity in kg per meter second and pressure in Newton, so we have to just substitute the directly 0.006, and speed rpm is the exact rpm what is given, which is 450, with pressure is something which we need to find out because pressure is not given, and pressure he says that it's in Newton per mm square. Diameter is given as 60 and diameter clearance is given as 0.1. So this whole square has to be 14.3 because you are using this Sommerfeld number as the design parameter. Okay, so from this, if we calculate, P is the only unknown variable, and P from this you will be getting as 0.679 Newton per mm square. Okay, now this pressure, remember that how pressure is defined in general bearing is that we assume that bear with me, I mean you have this W, okay, and whatever clearance you have it here, I mean one side it forms a wedge. Okay, that's okay, but this W is supported entirely throughout the length of this. So if you unwrap this and make it, if you unwrap this, the inner shaft, if you unwrap this, okay, the entire cross section will be, this will be the length, I mean this will be basically the pi d, and this will be your length. So the way W is defined as that we just take W by length into diameter. So this is how the pressure is defined in terms of, in this Sommerfeld formula. So W by LD is pressure. So pressure is given as 0.679, and W you need to find out because that is a safe load. So W would be 0.679 into length is 90 into diameter is 60. Okay, so from this, okay, from this the value of W we get it as 3.67 kilo Newton. So 3.67 is the safe load. So thank you.